Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light, and today we are actually going to unbox and set up an ice bath by Lifepro. And yes guys, I'm super excited about it because I actually tried ice bath in Europe over the summer as well as here in California. You actually have it at some gyms and workout places, and I feel like I'm using it quite often, and it's actually time for me to try the one of my own. And yes guys, so let's see what's inside. Inside there is actually a pump for you to blow it up, as well as the hose that you can attach to easily get rid of the water. I'm planning after using it to actually pour the water back into the pool. And yes, here is the unit itself, and also inside you actually see all the poles that are required for the installation. And yes, looks like this is the upper and this is the lower, which is the flat one. So yes, let's get to it.